Hello everyone, David Guerin here. I'm going to be your instructor for Technology for Administrators with Regent University. I just wanted to welcome you to class today as we're getting ready to start, actually officially on Cinco de Mayo, which will be tomorrow. But we need to start planning for this next week and what you're going to need to know to be successful. Before we get to that though, let me introduce myself. I am a principal in Missouri, which is a long way, of course, from Regent University, and I'm sure most of you are on the East Coast, probably in Virginia or in that region. But I was able to, just with online courses and actually the power of Twitter. A few years ago, I had connected through Twitter and seen that there was an opportunity to teach this course at Regent, and one thing led to another, and I've been teaching it for a few years and have really enjoyed it, and I fully expect that I will learn just as much from you all as you will from me. So blessed to be here. As far as just an introduction, I've been in education now for 18 years. I taught English in the classroom and was a coach also. Went into administration about 9 years ago and have enjoyed that journey as well. I've got a beautiful wife, Lori, and 4 kiddos. 2 of them are in high school. I've got a 7th grader and then a 4th grader, and they keep us very busy. So we are living family life and just enjoying our journey, and just thankful to God for the blessings that He gives us richly each day. So I am thankful that Regent is a Christ-centered university, and that as we go through the course, I will be able to be free in sharing my faith with you, and you can do the same with me. This week, let's talk a little bit about that. First of all, Blackboard I think is finally in really good shape. I noticed that some of you had noticed the discussion board, when it rolled over the old posts as well, so I had to delete all those and get those out of our way. So I think that's taken care of now. Week 1 is up and in great shape and ready to go. You do have a few materials to review as far as videos and a couple of short readings, and then we're going to have a discussion board this week. And part of the discussion board is just to reply to some questions and then to interact with other classmates. That's really how we learn. We're adult learners, and collaboration through the discussion board will be a powerful way for us to interact. The other thing this week that you have as an assignment is to create a Twitter account. I mentioned earlier that I actually came to be in this adjunct teaching position through Twitter. Twitter is a powerful tool for collaboration, connecting, growing, leading, if it's used for those purposes. And I've included some information about my Twitter handle for you to look at, and you can kind of see how I use it. But in past years, we've just kind of looked at Twitter, but I really feel like I just more and more think it's some of the best professional learning that educators can have, and just a real community of support for you. If you choose beyond this class to continue to utilize it, that would be great. If just a few of you felt like at the end of this course that Twitter had meant something, was a support to you in your professional learning, then that would be a real success for me. This week, though, it's really simple. All we have to do is just set up an account on Twitter, and then you're going to send one tweet. I would like for you to send me a tweet. Just make sure you include my handle in it, at David Guerin, so that it'll come to me and I can see it. And then as you send a message, I'm on Twitter, or I did it, and then include in that tweet your first name and your last initial, so that I can check you off as having been ready to go, so that I know that you're there and that you've got your account up and running. So I think that's it. Discussion board this week, and we're going to be working on the getting the Twitter account set up, and I think that's all. So looking forward to a great class. Hope that you all enjoy it and getting to know you a little bit better. Just if you ever have any problems or any questions and you need to contact me, feel free to do so. That's why I'm here. Thank you, and have a great week.